small and happy family. It consists 3 members. I love all my family members. It includes my mother, my father, and itself. My father name is Rajesh Bharat Kahane. He is a supervisor in construction of company. My mother name is Madhuri Rajesh Kahane. She is working as a assistant manager in Indian Overseas Bank.